Hi everyone, a lot of people have been asking what's in my green breakfast smoothie, and it's really healthy. It's a great way to start the day, and I would love to say that I make this every single morning, but the truth is sometimes I simply don't have time or just don't feel like it. But when I do make it for myself, and I make it for Rocco as well, it's you always feel really good drinking it. It fills me up, keeps me going for quite a while, and I also use it to take my supplements as well. So now I have a Thermomix. You don't need a Thermomix to make this. You can use it in a NutriBullet, any sort of blender. It's completely up to you. So very, very easy, and it's so easy that Rocco's actually going to help me make it. Now to save time in the morning and to stop food like wastage, I actually freeze the kale. I wash the kale and I put it in these little Ziploc bags and divide it up into the portions, so when I'm in a hurry in the morning I can quickly grab this out of the freezer and pop it in the Thermomix. So Monkey, do you want to put this in here? There you go. Yeah, put it in. That's it. Good boy. Okay, we'll put this in like that. Also, because it's frozen, it's nice and cool and crunchy. Yeah. Then we'll put in a banana.
Yeah? No, mine put in my...
You can put it in. Okay, so let's put it in. Hang on, let me peel it first. There you go. Well done. This bit there. And I think the key to a lot of good smoothies is ice. Okay, so Monkey, the ice, because it makes it really refreshing and cold. And we grab a lemon. Now I'm going to pop you down for a second for this. Whoa! Yeah, I know it's your turn. We're going to cut it. But I have to cut it right myself. Yes, you can cut it, but we're going to squeeze the lemon. Yeah. So apparently when you mix lemon juice with kale, it increases the acid from the lemon, increases the enzymes of the kale, apparently. So it makes it super, super healthy. Okay, you hold on to that. We're going to both squeeze together into the Thermi. Yeah, it's hard as a monkey. Want to make this even faster? You can actually freeze everything and put it in individual bags. So in each bag you've got the ice, you've got the kale, you've got the lemon juice, you've got the banana, and it's all fresh to go. You can just literally pop it in one big hit, but I'm not as organised as that. Alright, next thing is the coconut water, which is Rocco's favourite drink in the whole wide world. Okay, this is gonna get messy. Okay. I have no idea how much I put in. I just kind of guesstimate as to what feels right. But I think with Rocco doing it, that's a little too much. So we're going to just put it on for 30 seconds. It's going to be loud. So Rocco used to be scared of the noise of the Thermomix, so we made it into a positive thing. We do the Thermi dance around the kitchen. So I've just done 22 seconds, so I'm going to check on it. It's looking really nice and green and fluffy, so I'm actually going to add some supplements in here to mix into the juice, and then I'll just finish it off. Back in and Thermi dance for just a second. And there is the green smoothie, and I'll show you what we do. But this can go straight into Rocco's bottle. Now, whoa, okay, someone's excited. Now, Rocco isn't great with greens, so this is a really good way of me getting, you want more, this is a really good way of getting greens into him early in the morning without him complaining. Yeah. And there we go. Now I also sometimes put some extra supplements like iron in here, or some vitamin C powder to help make it even healthier, but it's absolutely delicious just the way it is, and as I said, such a great way to start the day. So, chin chin, chin chin.
Let's shake it.
You can shake it. Whoa! Okay, I hope you enjoyed this.
Hey, it's Sunfruit Danny. So I want to talk to you about why I recommend anyone on any specific diet should be having at least one green fruit smoothie every single day. And this is something that I've done through periods of my health journey, and I make sure almost every single day at the moment, I have done for quite a while, that I'm having one at least every single day when I break my fast with my 1 meal a day diet journey. And this is something that I discovered many years ago through Victoria Butenko in her book Green for Life, and she talks about all the amazing different health benefits. And one of them that she found through a study that she did with a group of people is by having 1 quart of green smoothie every single day, these people that were actually consuming, I forgot to mention that, had very low stomach acid production. And when you do not have enough stomach acid production, your food cannot break down correctly, and then it cannot be digested and assimilated correctly, and a lot of the food will be undigested and come out in the toilet, which is a complete waste of digestive energy and of money and of food as well. So you really want to be resolving this issue, and so many people have issues with this. And she found with the study that she did, after people consuming 1 quart of green smoothie every single day, about 66% of the participants resolved their stomach acid issues. So that's absolutely amazing. But there's also many other reasons why I recommend to everyone that you try and have at least 1 quart of green smoothie, or if that's too much for you, then at least half a quart a day, is because it's just an absolute nutrient powerhouse in macro and micronutrients, as long as you make it in specific ways. And the reason why green fruit smoothies are so good for you, they contain an abundance of macro, but more specifically micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals and other phytonutrients that are really key for you to have optimal health in mind and body and digestion and neurotransmitter production and hormone production and a whole host of other amazing benefits as well. And yeah, I'm going to actually share with you the smoothie that I make pretty much every single day to break my fast. So it's very simple. I use a small amount of ripe mangoes. The reason why I use the mangoes is to absorb iron. You need to have a food source of vitamin C that is combined with it. So that's something to always be very aware of, because a lot of people consuming greens and then they still run into iron deficiency issues, and that can be the reason why, because you're not consuming it with a vitamin C rich food source. And then I also make sure I add very ripe bananas to it, which make it very sweet. They're a very good high calorie food source as well, to give your body that abundance of glucose that it needs and your mind to function optimally. And then I also add 5 grams of gelatinized maca powder, and for the supplements like the maca, I'm going to put links all down below for them for UK, US and worldwide suppliers in case you're interested in them. So yeah, 5 grams of that. Then I also add 5 grams of organic wheatgrass green juice powder, not standard wheatgrass powder but the juice powder, so it's a lot more concentrated of all these amazing nutrients that are contained within it. And then I also add 9 grams of Hawaiian spirulina, not that garbage China spirulina. Doesn't matter if it's organic, they're very high in heavy metals and radiation. This Hawaii one is a very clean source and it tastes amazing. It's the most amazing spirulina that I've ever had, and it actually comes in a glass jar, which is absolutely amazing. And then I also either add some coconut water to it, a small amount, enough to blend it up, and depending on how you like the consistency, if you like it to be thinner then add more, if not add less. But yeah, if you haven't got coconut water then try and at least use distilled water. If you don't know where to get distilled water from, which is the cleanest water on earth that you can source, is pure H2O. I put some links down below for some mega home water distiller links, which are the most highest quality home countertop distillers in the world. And distilled water has actually been shown to increase nutrient absorption as well and naturally detoxify the body in a very natural and gentle and safe, effective way. And then I normally add some organic romaine lettuce, which is also known as cos lettuce. Use as much or as little as you like, but I would recommend using at least a cup or 2 and slowly building yourself up to a lot higher quantities of the greens, so you can get a lot more of those amazing nutrients in the body. And also, this green fruit smoothie is very, very alkalizing. A lot of people are very acidic within the body, and this causes so many health issues mentally and physically. And you're going to find that this smoothie is just going to satiate you so well. And if you're someone that does consume breakfast, I'd recommend having this for your morning meal, because it's really easy to digest, and it's just going to make you feel so alive, because all those things contained within them contain so much life force and so many nutrients that are just going to make you feel amazing and kickstart you for your day. And the brilliant thing about green fruit smoothies, because you're adding quite a bit of fruit, you should barely even taste the greens or not taste them at all. And I used to be someone that really disliked greens. Then I found out about green smoothies, started consuming them on a regular basis, and I absolutely loved them. And then I actually found that over time I started to really like plain greens on their own to eat, because literally your gut microbiome becomes used to the food that you're eating, so then it craves the foods that you eat on a regular basis. So by me having green fruit smoothies on a regular basis, it started to make me crave greens, and then I started to really appreciate them even on their own without them being in a green fruit smoothie. And if you're someone that would like to read Victoria Butenko's book, I'll put some links down below for a supplier that can send it straight to your door. I highly recommend it. That book is absolutely amazing. I'll also put a link down below to a website that tells you of many different combinations that you can use for green fruit smoothies as well. I highly recommend that you check that out. And I am telling you, after doing this for at least once every single day for a month, you're just going to notice that you feel so much better within your mind and body holistically. So this is why I highly recommend it. And you can give this to children, you can give it to adults, it doesn't matter how old you are. It's just going to help you so much to feel the best that you possibly can in your everyday life. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will get back as soon as possible. If you like the video, like it down below, and please share this video with anyone that you think needs to learn about what I've shared with you today in relation to why green smoothies are really amazing and why I recommend them on an every single day basis. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below to receive a lot more health informational videos from me on a regular basis to help you go in the direction of optimizing your health within your mind and body and ridding yourself of sickness and disease as well. So if those type of videos sound good to you, make sure you click that subscribe button and you click the bell notification button next to the subscribe button, otherwise YouTube will not notify you of when new videos are uploaded, and I have new ones coming every single day without fail. So as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.